If you're watching this video, you're interested in learning more about Fitspresso, which I know has been gaining some popularity and a lot of people are talking about it, but I want to talk about the things about Fitspresso that they're not saying so you can make a more informed decision. This is an unbiased review. I don't work for Fitspresso. I'm not selling this supplement, and I've been investigating supplements for over 30 years, looking at the research. I don't work for any supplement company or pharmaceutical company either. Fitspresso is sold on a variety of different websites, including fitspresso.com, getfitspresso.com, and getfitspresso.org, as well as others. But if we go to the getfitspresso.org website, we can see that there are key ingredients mentioned, such as L-Carnitine, Chromium, green tea, and L-theanine. Okay, so let's compare those to what is listed on the Get Fitspresso supplement facts label. Now, looking at the supplement facts label, I see Chromium and I see green tea, but I don't see L-theanine or L-Carnitine listed. So apparently there is a disparity between the ingredients that are on the Fitspresso website and what is on the supplement facts label. Now, if we circle back and take another look at that supplement facts label, I see something interesting. What the heck is HCl? The ingredient is actually listed incorrectly on the supplement facts label. What they're referring to is Berberis aristata, which is listed, but HCl should not be in front of the word. It should be behind that word. But regardless, any way you slice it, this is called Indian barberry. Indian barberry is a source of berberine. And if you look closely, they actually mention berberine on the label. Now, berberine is a well-known supplement that can help lower cholesterol levels and blood sugar, and it also appears to have a mild weight loss effect too. And each capsule of Fitspresso is giving you 50 milligrams of berberine. I bring that up because some research suggested it may take several hundred milligrams of berberine to have effects on weight loss, blood sugar, and cholesterol. See my review on berberine and weight loss for more research on that. The first ingredient you see on the supplement facts label is zinc, which is odd because most people are not deficient in this mineral. Right underneath that is chromium picolinate, which has been popular for weight loss since at least the 1990s, and there have been multiple clinical trials on chromium picolinate, and the vast majority of those studies show it doesn't work. Oh, sure, it can help modulate blood sugar, but you're not taking Fitspresso for blood sugar, you're taking it for weight loss, and the vast majority of studies that I have seen shows chromium picolinate does not help people lose weight. Each capsule of Fitspresso also has 75 milligrams of alpha-lipoic acid. Some research suggests that alpha-lipoic acid may help people lose between 2 and 4 pounds when used consistently over several months, but the research also appears to use much more than the 75 milligrams that is in Fitspresso. Fitspresso also has a proprietary blend including many different ingredients, but all of those ingredients together add up to 56 milligrams, which isn't a lot, and the very first ingredient you see in the proprietary blend is milk thistle, which would not be my go-to weight loss ingredient. I also thought it was odd and a little ironic that the Fitspresso website mentions coffee and a morning coffee ritual, given that the supplement itself doesn't have any coffee. Now, I think Fitspresso is kind of a pricey supplement, but the good news here is if you decide to try it for yourself, it does come with a whopping 180-day money-back guarantee, and that is much better than 99% of the supplements that I have reviewed over the years, so kudos to the company for doing that. Do remember, however, that the 180-day money-back guarantee begins the day you order the supplement, not when it arrives at your home. And if you're going to ask for a refund, you have to send all of the bottles back to the company, so save everything. You will not get a refund on any bottle that you do not return to the company. The Fitspresso supplement is also sold on Amazon. However, when I looked at those supplements, the ingredients that I saw are vastly different than the ingredients that I'm showing you here. When I checked the Better Business Bureau, they were giving the Fitspresso company an F rating with 1 out of 5 stars. Ratings do change over time, so I will refer you to the Better Business Bureau website for updates and more information on that. Now, the Better Business Bureau does list some Fitspresso customer complaints, such as this person saying that a Fitspresso didn't work and they were still being charged for it even though they didn't want it anymore. Fortunately, the company does respond to many of the people who are posting on the Better Business Bureau website. There's also this person who wanted a refund and mentions that Fitspresso may go by another name called Nature's Formulas, which I can't confirm or deny. This person also brings up an important point. If you request a refund from the company, you are responsible for paying to send all the bottles back, and that's pretty common in the online supplement business. There's also this guy who wanted a refund, but he was more than 2 weeks outside of the 180-day money-back guarantee, so I can't fault the company for not issuing him a refund. Based on the ingredients once I see the problems with the supplement facts label and the customer complaints that I have seen, I'm going to remain skeptical on how effective Fitspresso really is as a weight loss supplement. However, if Fitspresso really does work, I think berberine and alpha lipoic acid are the main key ingredients.